According to the leaked listing, the DJI Avata 360 could start at around 2,988 yuan, translating to roughly $426 for the standalone drone. If accurate, this would make it one of the most affordable entry points into high-quality 360-degree flight. For comparison, most current 360 drone solutions either require expensive rigs or complex DIY setups, which limits adoption. The pricing tiers suggest a familiar DJI strategy. A bundle with the RC2 controller could land around $569, while higher-end packages, such as the Fly More Combo or Ultimate Kit with goggles and motion controllers, are listed at approximately $812. Even accounting for higher global pricing due to taxes and shipping, a sub-$500 base model would place serious pressure on competitors like Insta360. On the specs side, the leak points to a 1-inch image sensor capable of shooting 6K HDR video at 60 frames per second. That alone would be impressive at this price point. However, there's some debate within the community. Earlier insider reports from late 2025 mentioned a more advanced dual 1/1.1-inch sensor system with 8K video. This discrepancy has fueled speculation that DJI may be preparing two versions: a standard Avata 360 for enthusiasts and a higher-end Pro model aimed at VR filmmakers and commercial creators. Safety and flight intelligence also stand out. The Avata 360 is expected to feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a first for the Avata lineup. This is especially important for 360 drones, where pilots often prioritize framing over direct line-of-sight awareness. Combined with Rocksteady 4.0 and Horizon Steady, the drone promises smooth, level footage even during aggressive FPV maneuvers. If DJI delivers on these leaks, the Avata 360 could reshape the market. A compact, Cinewhoop-style drone that captures stitched 360 video for under $1,000 in a full combo would be a game-changer for real estate, travel vlogging, and action sports. An official reveal is expected in early 2026, just in time for the spring travel season.